that restoration again through prayer. Genesis 20 verse 17. God restored their womb. The womb that was shut by God, it was prayer that unshut it or unlocked it. Hallelujah. So we see again prayer here. Now, why are we seeing prayer? In the case of Abimelech, prayer was the trigger for his restoration. In the case of Jeroboam, prayer was the trigger for his restoration. In the case of Job, prayer was the trigger for the restoration. Many of you that have lost things, you are too lazy to pray. Some of you are contracting your prayer life to other people, and that is where Satan is hiding to oppress Christians. You call a prophet to pray for you. Pray for yourself. Prayer can bring you right into the center of God's restoration for your life. What have you lost? You can pray it back in. And God has sent me to you. You know why Satan is attacking prayers? If you have noticed, the devil is attacking prayer, attacking it. Either people are not praying at all, or they are praying wrong prayers. Either they are not praying at all and are knocking prayer, or they are praying wrong prayers. I wrote an article 2 weeks ago. The title of the article is The Retirement Party of the Nigerian Gatekeepers. The retirement party. It was like, the retirement party, the gatekeepers, the intercessors, they are celebrating their retirement, and they gathered in a party. No, that is like, it's not like in a literal sense, and they are celebrating because of what I heard and what I saw. People are telling me that intercessors are getting tired because they are praying, they aren't getting results, and many of them are quitting. They are quitting. Some are abandoning their intercession ministries. Some are going to so many different things. And the devil is laughing. He's celebrating because when the prayer altar goes down, satanic altars stand up. They rise up. They become strengthened. They become emboldened. Evil will multiply in the nation. Wickedness will multiply. Deaths will multiply. Poverty will multiply. Because the prayer altar is the strength of champions. No champion plays with their altar. In the evil world, in the occultic world, they don't play with their altar. They will tell their family, their wives, whatever, all those wicked men, if you enter that room, you are a dead man. Because they don't play games with their altar. And this is a principle that works. I don't care the results that people are not getting. It's not my business how results come. God is the one that determines results. Maybe you are not praying well. Maybe you are praying incorrectly. Now, our father in the Lord, a few days back. Now, I attended the convention that he held in Toronto. The final rally is today.